के हैं मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ सेंसेक्स slumps 770 PTS, निफ्टी बिलो 25,100, Adani Ports dropped 7%, Eternal 6%. Sensex today Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian equity index supply lower on Friday, giving up early gain as sustained foreign selling weightage on statement. Benchmark indices reverses course despite its supportive cues from Asian market and Asiatic geopolitical concern. The sale of the underscored and fragile risk appetite with the border market losses and dragging overall volunteers lower. Sensex today Nifty 50 stock market live updates. Indian benchmark indeed nearly 1% lower after early optimism fit aimed the revenue. Foreign shortfalls and the reversal came a day after market snap and losing market snack. Underlying the lack of substance, the buying supported. Q3 result financial year 2026 today live updates. JSW Steel, Cipla, Max and the IndiGo Bank among key companies to announce earning today. Benchmark assist early gain aimed to renew. Foreign outfall, Sensex and Nifty closed the losses of nearly 1% each. Market sentiment remained weak despite positive Asian cues. BSE market capitalization declined the sharply during the session. Crude oil future climbs 2% to reach 5,554 per barrel on spot demand. Crude oil price on Friday rose by just 114 to reach 5,554 per barrel and firm global cues on the multi-commodity exchange. Crude oil for February delivery gain reached 114 or 2.1%, reached 5,554 per barrel with a business turnover of 14,267 lots. JSW Steel on Friday reported over, therefore the growth in the consolidated profit after tax stood as 2,410 crore in the December quarter, driven by higher sale and lower input cost.